Hello, Math 141. We're going to find all real and complex roots for f of x equals x cubed minus 8x to the second plus 25x minus 26. So first, let's see the factors of p. Let's see the factors of p right here. Plus and minus 1, plus and minus 2, plus and minus 13, and plus and minus 26. Let's look at factors of q right here. Just that's fairly easy, just plus and minus 1. So q is plus and minus 1. And since anything divided by 1 is itself, in this case, the factors of p over q is the same as the factors of p, which are plus and minus 1, plus and minus 2, plus and minus 13, and plus and minus 26. Okay, now let's try some of these numbers. I'm going to go ahead and look at the negative 26 from right here. There is no way that f of positive 1 will give me, f of positive 1 will end up being a 0 because that negative 26 is messing me up. And same for the negative 1. If you want to try it on your own, go for it. But I know that positive 1 and negative 1 are not one of the roots. Okay, let me go to the next page and try 2 and see if positive 2 takes me anywhere. So what did we have? We had 1x cubed minus 8x to the second, 25x, and here's my negative 26. Let's try positive 2. Bring the 1 down. 1 times 2 is 2. Add them together, negative 6 times 2, negative 12. Add them together gives me 13 times 2 is 26. Oh, beautiful. So positive 2 is a root. So x equals 2 is a root. So x minus 2 is a factor. Now I can rewrite f of x as x minus 2, then x cubed minus 6x plus 13. Of course, this x minus 2 is coming from here, 1x cubed from here, this from here, and this from here. And now all I have to do is factor this. Is it factorable? No, 13 is prime. I cannot factor that. Ooh, and b squared minus 4ac is negative, so this has complex factors. Let's go to the next page, and I'm going to go ahead and use quadratic to factor that. So in order, let me write it here. I have x to the second minus 6x plus 13. Using quadratic formula, let me change the color. I'm going to have x equals minus b plus and minus square root of b to the second minus 4ac all over 2 times a. And minus b right here, let me just, b is minus 6. Okay. So now x equals positive 6 plus and minus square root of 36 minus 4 times 13 is 52 all over 2. That equals 6 plus and minus square root of negative 16 all over 2. So x equals 6 plus and minus 4i over 2, okay, which is the same as saying 3 plus and minus 2i. Okay, so the factors of f of x are as follows. F of x equal x minus 2. We found that in previous page. And then x minus 3 minus 2i and x minus 3 plus 2i. Okay. So if you ask me, where did I get x minus 2? Let's go to the previous page. In here, okay, you see x equals 2. If I subtract 2 from both sides, I get x minus 2. And you may ask, hey, how did you get this and this? Okay, I got them from here. So once I have x equals 3 plus 2i, and that's the same as x minus 3 minus 2i equals 0. So that's this one. And once I have x equals 3 minus 2i, and that's the same as x minus 3 plus 2i equals 0, and that's this one. Okay, I hope you like this video. I'll do one more for you, but I'll keep it separate because shorter video, it seems like work better with YouTube. Thanks.